right, it's Pat, E-A-S-P-A-T-T-E-N. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. We are trying to put some extra time in here to get this job done, and the lads are here working. So we're doing red square pavers over there. We're going to be doing a pergola here. We're probably running the boards that way, and we're going to put in our L cut supports that way. I'm going to run it that way. These are going to look really nice. Getting everything prepped. This is our normal thing. We get these kind of standard at Lowe's and Home Depot. We find these work really well. They're super effective, and everybody's really happy with them. Plus, you can pop them out if something happens. You don't have to like get like a commercial order, but we do both. So now I'm going to take you out front to see what's going out there. All right, out front, we got a few other things happening out here too. So one of the key pieces, this is a weeping cherry. I'm pretty sure we want to put a dwarf atlas cedar in here. So I don't know if it's going to be a weeping variety or just a regular variety. So it'll kind of complement that plant. We're going to put river stones in here. They look really nice. The fence has come off because we are going to put arbors in here, and I see how far this cherry's coming out, so we got to consider that to give it a sort of a nice look here. And then we're going to fix this gate, and we are going to replace this guy, and we're going to make a wooden gate out of that in the front. Probably a dark brown color. And it looks like we have the start of that gate back there. So that'll be affixed to the front. So it'll give it a better look to the front of this yard. Beautiful backyard. If you need something like this, and you're in Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love, give us a shout.